black coffee? It is morning for us, it's Sunday morning, but whatever time it is for you. So, today we're climbing ScaFell Pike. Stephen's already done this a few times, but it's such a popular mountain, I've never even done it. And I've been in the Lake District quite a few times now. Climbing these massive, it was supposed to be 8 miles and we ended up doing 30 miles. But that isn't happening today. That's not happening today. We are just doing the 9 miles.
Mark with us today.
Oh, no Mark. Mark's abandoned us. Seriously been windy since, God, for about the last hour, Stevie.
Yeah.
It's just blasting us with wind. Oh, it's gone again. But just thought I'd jump on and say we're alright. Changed our route because of the wind. But I'll fill you in on that later. So, guys, just as I thought I was losing my ScaFell Pike virginity today, the weather's had other ideas. Oh, there's a reservoir, a lake. Oh yeah, sorry, so we was planning to do ScaFell Pike. I've never done it. He's done it loads of times. Well, not loads, have you?
Twice.
He's done it a few times.
Twice, me, yeah.
And all the other walkers that we've been out with have done it, but I haven't. So today I thought that was going to change, but obviously not, because the weather's been absolutely blasting us.
You won't believe it
with
now,
wind. Yeah, it's calm. We've literally just, honestly, for the last hour and a half or whatever, it's just been blasting us with wind, but we've just found a calm spot. Oh, it's gorgeous as well.
though. This must be a bulletproof place.
Sure. Look at that. place for the last hour and a half where you can't even speak to each other because you're just getting blasted with wind. And then all of a sudden, we've just come to this quiet, calm, tranquil bit. Definitely worth a brew stop. What do you reckon? So peaceful. What are we doing now?
We've got to
Steve,
scale the river.
Steve and trek us out.
We need to get across the water and get onto that path lover.
We're not going over the water though, are we? We're not going over it.
Well,
Are we going to the over it?
over it, unless you want to go through it.
Or do you go around it?
Let's go up there and do a left and see what we've got.
Can't go over it, gotta go under it.
Can you say under it?
It's true, it's making us go over it. Can't go over it, gotta go. This is how simpletons I am. There's huge rocks there that you just go across. Why I went in the water, I'll never know. I am absolutely simple. Yeah, living life on the edge here. Right on the edge. Put the phone away. There comes another tremendous view. This is a fucking nightmare. There we are. This is our walk in the car now on our way home. It was so cold and windy though that we ate our sandwiches in the car. We couldn't even find a pit stop to have our sandwiches. So we got back to the car, we just ate them, had a nice coffee and we're just on our way home. Thanks watching today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please support our channel and subscribe to us and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.